Hey everyone. In today's video, I've got something exciting to share with you. WhatsApp has rolled out another update, and this time, they've tweaked the way we check our muted status. Stick around, and I'll show you how to easily check your muted status on the latest WhatsApp updates. Let's get started. So, the first thing you want to do is open your WhatsApp application. Once you're in, head over to the update section, which is located right beside my status. Right here, you'll find your muted status along with all your recent updates. If you've joined or followed any channels, it might be a bit tricky to locate. You'll need to scroll to the end of your status to find the muted option. When you click on the muted, you can see all muted status. You can unmute by tapping on the status and then click on the three dots. And then click on the unmute. Confirm it by clicking on the unmute. You can see your status has been removed from the muted list. If your status in the vertical style, scroll down to the very bottom and you will see muted updates. Click on it, and all the muted status will be open in front of you. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.